Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Ps5 into sharing mode. Make sure your system is updated, you're signed into PlayStation Network, and you've joined a party or started remote play. Once done, press the Create button on your controller to open capture options, then move to Broadcast and Remote Play controls. This first step establishes the connection endpoint and permissions so the console can stream your screen to another device. Make sure the receiving device is on the same network or linked to your PSN account. You now pick Share Screen or Remote Play from the Create menu and choose the destination, party members, or a remote play app. Configure video resolution and frame rate to balance quality and bandwidth. Lower settings if your connection is unstable. Make sure to enable microphone or game audio sharing if you want voice and sound transmitted. Once configured, send an invite link to party members or open the Remote Play app. Then accept the connection on the receiving device so the stream can begin. Finish by confirming the other party sees your screen and that audio levels are correct. You control the share from the Create menu or Control Center. If you need to stop, hit Stop Sharing or end the Remote Play session. If problems appear, reduce resolution or frame rate, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or wired Ethernet, and make sure NAT type and PSN status are okay. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot your router and console to clear temporary network issues before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.